Hi, my name is Samantha Phillips. I am a sophomore at ICU. This is my introduction video. My major right now is communications, but I will probably be changing that to elementary education soon. We'll see. No matter what, though, I think it's beneficial to take an intercultural class because it's important to understand other cultures and how to interact with people from other cultures. I was born in Brookfield, Ohio, which is about 25, maybe 30 minutes away from Youngstown. And I was raised in an even smaller town called Vienna, which is surrounded by cornfields and woods. It's okay. Other languages besides English, I took a few years of Spanish, but honestly, the only things I really remember are the phrases, how are you? What's your name? And where's the bathroom? That's pretty much it. I don't remember much of Spanish. I haven't been to anywhere outside the United States yet. I am hoping to start traveling someday. I would love to go to Italy, but for now I haven't been anywhere besides Niagara Falls when I was 2, but that doesn't quite count. I've had a few intercultural experiences that really stick out in my mind. For example, we had a girl named Erin transfer to my school when I was a sophomore, and she was from, I can't remember exactly, she was Korean. I think she was from South Korea. Pretty sure that was it. Don't quite remember. But I remember that it was really hard for her to adjust because she didn't quite get the hang of English yet before she moved. So she actually had a translator that she took with her to every class. And I remember in study hall I would try to talk to her and I would have to speak into her translator and it would translate my sentences. And oftentimes it would translate it wrong and it would come out just all funky. If I would try to say, for example, cafeteria, it somehow transferred. It said something like horsefly, I don't know, but it did a pretty bad job. I mean, and whenever she had a word that she couldn't say in English, she had to say it to the translator, and it would, spit the word back out in English. So it was kind of interesting to have a conversation that way, where you need a translator, and where the translator is like an electric device rather than a person. So that was interesting. I also went to Washington, D.C. this year, and that was pretty cool to go and see, everyone was speaking different languages. It's a huge melting pot. It was very cool to see different kinds of people there. One ritual that my family practiced as I was growing up, I'm gonna have to think about that. Well, I would just have to say, honestly, we don't do anything that's really culturally different from others. Besides the fact that we celebrate Christmas, and I know a lot of cultures celebrate other holidays, but yeah, we've always had Christmas. We've always done Christmas Eve dinner, and then, went to bed. When I was little, we would go to bed before midnight because that's when Santa comes, and then, Christmas, we would have dinner. So I guess that could be one ritual that we practiced. And we would always go out every year and buy a new ornament for the tree, so and that's all I can really think of. A couple of things that are culturally hidden about me. I am Italian. My grandparents are full Italian, and it's hard to tell really just because look how pale I am, and I don't like Italian food really. And there's a lot of things about me I would say. I mean, for example, I really like to be outdoors. I love to ride my four-wheeler. I love to go fishing and hiking. But from just the looks of me, I don't think you could really tell that. I look like someone who likes to stay indoors all day, and because look how pale I am. Most people, if they like to be outdoors all the time, they're tan, they're muscular, and I don't really fit that image, but I love being outdoors. Other things that are culturally hidden, me and my family like to do charity events. I like to do charity events too. I mean, like last year we set up a drive at my church to donate different things like coats and winter blankets and just all kinds of stuff to different organizations like Someplace Safe. So that's another thing that I would say is culturally hidden about me and my family. But thank you. If you are still watching this, thank you for finishing out this video. I enjoyed watching all of your videos. You all seem like lovely people, and I look forward to taking this class.